Challenge 2. Time management. Day 2. Recording and time management. How are you using your 24 hours each day? When asked to write your day in a planner, many people respond, "I don't know how to plan." In such cases, I suggest a simple first step. Start by recording your daily routine. For 1 week, write down in detail when you eat, sleep, and study. At first, it may feel like a hassle, but as you continue recording, you will begin to recognize your own life patterns. By recording your activities, you can monitor how you spend your time. This allows you to identify the gap between what you think you're doing and what you're actually doing. For example, you may think you're sleeping 6 hours a night, but after keeping track, you might realize you sleep more than 8 hours. Similarly, some working adults who claim they work over 60 hours a week may find that their actual recorded working time is closer to 40 hours. Many people misjudge how they use their time. Recording not only corrects these misunderstandings, but also lays a solid foundation for better time management. Beyond that, recording itself is powerful. Those who record their time tend to set goals, give themselves regular feedback, analyze how they spend their time, and create actionable plans. Before starting your day, divide tasks into time blocks. Set specific times to check emails or when using social media. This helps you avoid wasting time unnecessarily. Above all, a written plan is stronger than memory. When things are written down, it relieves the burden of trying to remember everything and improves your focus. To manage time and achieve goals, break large goals into smaller steps. Simply telling yourself to try harder is not enough. Break down your annual goals into monthly, weekly, and daily targets. Use specific numbers and clear plans. At first, this may feel overwhelming. You might wonder, what if I don't stick to it? But here's the surprising truth. Writing down your goals makes them more likely to happen. As you begin to check off the goals you've written down, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment. Eventually, your plans and results will align. Another effective strategy is to make your goals public and track your progress. Share them on social media or with friends. Use a checklist so you can visually confirm what you've completed. This taps into your desire to succeed and helps you overcome laziness, making it easier to stick to your plans. Trying to create a perfect plan from the beginning can feel burdensome, especially if you're not used to it. Instead, start by simply recording your daily activities. Use what you've recorded to gradually build more detailed plans and discover a time management method that works best for you. You can make better use of your 24 hours. A small habit of managing your time can bring big changes to your future. The power of recording. Reflect on the following questions and write down your answers. After answering them, observe how your day goes. At the end of the day, notice the difference between days when you answered these questions and days when you didn't. 1. What kind of energy will I live with today? 2. What will I do today to get closer to my goal 1 year from now? 3. What am I most looking forward to today? 4. What am I most grateful for today? 5. What should I reflect on today? Thank you for listening.